Om Namah Shivaya. Today I am taking the topic on the sixth house, which is supposed to be a bad one, but it is not so. While we'll be discussing this house, we'll come to know that there are many positive qualities of this house. Much has been told about sixth house in negative sense. Here I am giving few glimpses of sixth house as analyzed logically. This is natural house of Mercury, which is responsible for all our commands for actions as already explained in energy flow diagrams of planet previously. Actually, Mercury is our human computer processor, and the signal from sun is reflected by the moon or mind and goes to Mercury. There a signal of a Venus, our love, desire or lust, is also included, and after combining these two signals, Mercury gives commands for action to the Mars. So that's why Mercury is a link between inner planet and outer planet. So Mercury is the most important planet for us. As Mercury cuts down data in smaller pieces, and the work in sixth house is to filter out usable and unusable. This is the first sorting station, that what is required and what is not required, it has to be separated out. This process is like conflict removing. This means that we have to be slow and resolve the conflict issues like death, disease, lawsuits, etc. That is the reason this house is termed as a filtering house, and the filtering organs like kidney, which separates blood and urine, etc., are ruled by this house. This is first house, which offers speed breaker for life vehicle, where tire of vehicle meet through road first time. This slows down the flow of life due to any region such as enemies, health, etc. This is mild resistance of past karma. Whatever we have done with others in past come as a barrier in this house, which we have to resolve. This is very important house in profession, which decides working environment, harmonious or conflicting. Any planet in sixth house is like a toll tax collector, and after paying toll tax, you are free to travel at your normal speed. The planet here decide duration of resistance, such as if Saturn is in the sixth house, it gives a problem for a long duration, while Mercury and Moon gives for the short duration. The amount of tax to be paid is mainly decided by strength of planets influencing sixth house, while manner of tax payment is mainly by sign of the sixth house. For example, sixth house is having Aries will force us to be quick and aggressive, while here Gemini will utilize communication skill to ward off this resistance of sixth house. The Sarvashtak and Bhinnashtak Bindus give great clue in this matter, in prediction and logical remedy decision. This is most important house, as our day-to-day activities are dependent on our physical and mental condition, mainly ruled by this house. Why we face this resistance can be understood as explained further. Suppose we have misused sense organs of the second house, like mouth, in eating undesired food, it will come as a health issue here. If we have used tongue to insult others, it will appear as a humiliation in this house, because 2nd, 6th and 10th, they form one trine, and the impact of 2nd is felt in the 5th and 6th house, and 6th house impact is felt in the 10th house. So these all are interconnected. In second house, we have taken pleasure of delicious food, which may come as a disease in sixth house. So we have to restrict our diet to balance it in this house. This is obstruction as well as opportunity for correction. That is the reason that this is Upachaya house which matures with time. This is like OPD of the hospital where medicines can cure disease. Below are arranged few areas of sixth house which are self-explanatory. The outer form, it is disease, injuries, debt, opponents, competition, thieves, maternal uncle, employees, lawsuit, misunderstanding, cheating, fraud, servants, tenants, short duration imprisonment, and hygiene. All these are a conflict generating, removing, or situation. The second is the inner part. With this is fear, doubt, worry, security via care. Stage of this house is servicing and conserving after filtering. In terms of medical, if we take the outer part, it is a waist, navel portion, lower abdomen. Inner portion is kidney, small intestine, appendix. Diseases shown are appendicitis, poisoning, constipation, hernia, blood urea, psycho and nervous disorders. If we consider from Bhavat Bhavam, then we see where falls the sixth house. For example, it is 10th from the 9th. This shows the power at religious places or university teaching. 11th from 8th, it is unexpected gains and sudden loss of money, etc. So by rotating the sixth house and looking from the various other houses, we can find out few more results regarding this. Above are few abstractions from my book Astro Key to Profession. Myself, Acharya Engineer S.K. Kohli, Senior Faculty Member, Jyotish Darshan Shiksha Sansthan, and has been indulged in this field of astrology for more than 50 years. For learning scientific astrology or consultancy, you can contact on WhatsApp number 7838 141864 or mail us at jdssastrologer@gmail.com. We are starting online classes on advanced analysis in Vedic astrology, which will include decoding of the life path, scientific technique of analyzing horoscope, health profile including disease causes and remedies, educational profile especially for children, and marriage and marital relations and their causes and remedies. These classes shall start 5th of the July, and every Sunday it will be a class of nearly 3 hours. Those who are interested to join this may contact on 7838 141864.